Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm back with another random haul. So I'm first going to be sharing these Gemini stamp and dies. These are really fun. This one is called Sweet Cities and Wishes, and it comes with the mug dies as well as the stamp sets. And so they're really cute. They have like a little recipe for hot chocolate on there. This one is also stamp and die. And it comes with a recipe for homemade fruit muffins, and it includes a little jar die. And then this one is Comfort, Joy, and Cookies, and it comes with a chocolate chip cookie recipe and kind of like toppers for tags, plus little pieces that you could decorate your tag with. So those are cute and fun. And then moving on to Simon Says Stamp. I am sharing kind of a random haul. Some of it is Stamptember, so it tells you how old that is. I did buy all the crayons because I think the crayons are really fun. So I bought all the crayons that Tim Holtz came out with. So he came out with some like Halloween ones as well as some Christmas ones. And so those are them, which I've got a jar right here for that. I did buy these ink pads because I thought these would be really good for gingerbread. These 3. And I have been wanting the mini stencil mats, which probably works very much like the water media mats. Anyway, I did get that. I'm excited about that. This actually was from Etsy. It's the Christmas Patchwork by Stamperia. Okay, so Stamptember. So most of the stuff is Stamptember. So I did get this plus the die, which is Hippo Holidays, and not a lot of their stamps come with dies, so that's kind of fun. It's La La Land. This one is somehow in the package backwards. Did I do that? I don't know. Should I look at it? This is My Favorite Things. And I kind of like this one because it's not Christmas, right? So this one is More Fun is Always a Good Thing. Time to Unwind is what it's called. And so I kind of like it because it's not Christmas. And then you get the dies. And then the Lawn Fawn, which is like sloths, I guess. Plus the dies are in here as well. And then this one, this one's more winter. This one's called Skiing Bear. It's pretty pink posh. This is the Tim Holtz and Stamptember, and it comes with the little moon masks. This one is not Christmas, so that's kind of fun too. This is the Honeybee, Be a Sunflower, plus the die. And then here is the Mama Elephant Nomi Holidays. That little guy is not Christmas. Plus the dies. And then in here, I got Distress mica stains in the holiday colors. So anyway, I've got this, which is clearly besotted, and this one is Christmas, but not. I mean, this stamp right here has Christmas tree, but a rainbow. But all, well, I guess they are kind of Christmas, aren't they? Yeah, I guess they all are Christmas wood presents and whatever. And then this one, which is, did I get the die? I got the dies. I always get the dies. This one is Double the Thanks from Concord and Ninth with the dice. So it's cute. And then some other sort of random things that are got to share. I got this glitter glaze from Brutus Monroe, and I don't even know where I got it from. It just like appeared, so that's interesting. And then here's a Tailored Expressions homemade. That one's cute. I like that. All right, so that is it for this share. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Graybout.